To every person who supports me, and also to those who criticize, watch, judge, or try to discourage me, I want to say something with complete clarity. In life, when a person decides to grow, they make people uncomfortable. When you decide to move forward, you make people uncomfortable. When you decide to show up, create, learn, reinvent yourself, publish content, educate yourself, use new tools, develop skills, and dare to do something different, opinions will automatically appear. Some good, some honest, some valuable, and others filled with frustration, resentment, insecurity, ego, envy, or simple discomfort. And I want to say something from a place of peace, but with firmness. Praise does not elevate me. Criticism does not destroy me. Because my worth does not depend on applause, and it does not collapse because of opinions. Life trained me too much for that. I have gone through difficult seasons. I have lived moments where silence hurt more than words. I have faced challenges, losses, injustice, exhaustion, frustration, mistakes, setbacks, and moments where it seemed like everything was against me. And still, here we are, standing, learning, building, evolving. So honestly, if someone believes that a comment, mockery, digital attack, empty criticism, hate, or destructive opinion is going to stop me, they picked the wrong person. I have strong skin, not because I do not feel, but because life forced me to become stronger, because I understood something very early. The price of showing up publicly is learning how to live with criticism, and that does not scare me. That is part of the process, part of the journey, part of growth, part of leadership, part of building something meaningful, because when you create positive noise, you also awaken negative noise, and that is okay. Not everyone will understand your vision. Not everyone will celebrate your discipline. Not everyone will tolerate seeing you grow. Not everyone will feel comfortable watching you move forward. Especially when you decide to use technology, artificial intelligence, new tools, discipline, continuous learning, and strategy to multiply your abilities. But I want to say something important to my audience. Technology does not replace human essence. It amplifies it. Artificial intelligence does not do the work for me. I work, I learn, I study, I invest time, I make mistakes, I experiment, I edit, I correct, I develop ideas, I research, I prepare. Tools do not create purpose. People create purpose. A hammer does not build by itself. A piano does not play by itself. A camera does not make cinema by itself. And an AI tool does not create impact by itself either. Everything depends on who uses it. And yes, I am learning, I am growing, I am investing, I am developing new skills. I am exploring only a small percentage of what exists. Literally, we are just getting started. We are only in the first miles of the marathon. This is only the beginning. And if today, with limited resources, limited time, and a lot of learning, I am already creating content, imagine what is coming when there is more knowledge, better systems, more experience, a stronger team, better production, better technology, more languages, better editing, stronger storytelling, higher visual quality, more educational content, more humanity, and greater impact. This is not ego. This is vision. This is not arrogance. This is preparation. This is not showing off. This is discipline, because great things are not improvised. They are built step by step, mistake after mistake, discipline after discipline, sacrifice after sacrifice. And I want to say something to those who follow me, support me, and believe in this journey. Thank you. Because you understand something powerful. This is not about perfection, it is about evolution. This is not about pretending, it is about growing. This is not about pleasing everyone, it is about adding value, educating, inspiring, reflecting, starting meaningful conversations, creating content that contributes, creating content that helps, creating content that leaves something positive behind. Because at the end of the day, people will talk about you whether you do something or do nothing. They will criticize you if you move, and they will criticize you if you stay still. So I learned something simple. Let them talk, let them judge, let them question, let them doubt. Life goes on, the work continues, the mission continues, the learning continues. And my peace of mind is not for rent, nor does my identity depend on comments, because when you know who you are, noise stops controlling you, and when you have purpose, criticism stops stopping you. So yes, we will keep posting. We will keep learning. We will keep growing. We will keep evolving. We will keep creating with humility, with character, with vision, with intelligence, with purpose, with our feet firmly on the ground, and with one very clear mindset: we are only getting started. The best is yet to come.